Well, dear students, we are studying application of derivatives, and in application of derivatives we are studying increasing and decreasing functions. So we will be taking few more questions. Find the intervals in which the function of f is given by, this is the function which is given, 4x cube minus 6x square minus 72x plus 30, is strictly increasing and strictly decreasing. So what are the steps you should follow? What is given f of x? Go writing. Then find the first derivative f dash x. F dash x will be 12x square minus 12x minus 72. Okay. So 12 is a common factor, so I will be taking that. And then if you can factorize it, do the factorization because it's a quadratic polynomial. So finding the factorization, splitting the middle term, you can get minus 3x plus 2x. So x is taken common. So you have finally got 12 into x minus 3, x plus 2. Okay. So on putting f dash x equal to 0, we have this is equal to 0. Then x minus 3 will be 0, x plus 2 will be 0. X minus 3 is 0 or x plus 2 is 0. So thereby you are getting x equal to 3 or x equal to minus 2. These 2 points will divide the entire real number line into 3 parts. How? The intervals will be minus infinity to minus 2, okay, from the left side. Then the interval minus 2 to 3, and then 3 to infinity, right? So these are the intervals we will be testing for either increasing or decreasing, because the question is find the intervals where the function is increasing or decreasing. So we will frame a table like this: intervals, sign of f dash x, nature of f dash x, intervals. So minus infinity to minus 2, any number if you can less than minus 2, let us consider minus 3. If minus 3 यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं, minus 3 यहाँ पे पुट करना f dash x में, minus 3, then it will be minus 6. Minus 3, this will also be negative. Minus 6 into minus 1, or negative into negative, that is positive. This will become positive. So once f dash x sign is positive, we will write f is strictly increasing. Function is strictly increasing in this interval. Now coming to another interval, minus 2 to 2 से 3 तक. So the easiest value is 0. 0 will come in between somewhere. So 0 will be putting here. 0 if you put, this is negative. 0 if you put, this is positive. Negative into positive is positive. Negative into positive is positive. Negative into positive is negative. So which is less than 0? Negative into positive is negative, which is less than 0. So f is strictly decreasing. Coming to another interval, that is 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity means, let us take 4. If you put 4 here positive, if you put here 4 positive, 6 आएगा. So positive into positive is positive, greater than 0, f is strictly increasing. So these are the intervals where f is increasing. F is increasing in these two intervals, minus infinity to minus 2, union 3 to infinity, and it is strictly decreasing in minus 2 to 3. So similarly, if we take up another trigonometric function questions of the same nature, let us find out. Find the intervals in which the function given by f of x is sin x plus cos x, where x lies from 0 to 2 pi, okay, inclusive, all the 4 quadrants, I mean, 0 to 2 pi tak, is strictly increasing or decreasing. So as usual, we will be finding f dash x. F dash x will be cos x minus sin x. On putting f dash x equal to 0, you have cos x minus sin x equal to 0, cos x equal to sin x. Okay. If cos x equal to sin x is, then naturally cos x equal to sin x, cos will be, this is 90 pi by 2 minus x. So 2x will be pi by 2, और 45 डिग्री में वो दोनों सेम होते हैं. So cos भी 1/√2, sin भी 1/√2. Or you can do this, cos x equal to cos of 90 minus x. So 2x will be 90, x will be 45. Okay. And cos और sin सेम होंगे in again in third quadrant, because we are moving to 0 to 2 pi. In the third quadrant, both are negative. So third quadrant में हम जाएंगे pi plus pi by 4. Third quadrant is pi by 4. So we have got three intervals then. 0 to pi by 4, pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, and 5 pi by 4 to 2 pi. In these intervals, if you find the values, say 0 to pi by 4, 30 degree ले लेना है. Let us put 30 degree here. Cos 30 minus sin 30. Okay, cos 30 will be root 3 by 2. Sin 30 will be 1 upon 2. Root 3 by 2 is more than 1 upon 2. So positive we will get. So f is strictly increasing. Pi by 4 से लेकर के 5 pi by 4, 60 डिग्री 45 डिग्री से लेकर के यहाँ तक. So 60 डिग्री हम पुट कर देंगे. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this will be negative. Root 3 by 2 is more. So this is negative. F is strictly decreasing. Then pi by 5 pi by 4 से 2 pi तक. 2 pi तक. So 2 pi is including. So you will take 2 pi. 0. Cos 0 is 1. Sin 0 is 0. So positive. F is strictly increasing. Here 0 also you can take because 0 is also included. Okay. So these are the system of, this is the way of approaching these kind of questions. You will be having more questions, such questions as a part of your assignment. Thank you.